To fix your Owlet Dream Sock that is not connecting to Wi-Fi, start by understanding the causes and solutions. The Owlet Dream Sock is a smart baby monitor that tracks your baby's sleep patterns and provides real-time updates to your smartphone. However, like any other smart device, it may experience connectivity issues. First, ensure that your Owlet Dream Sock is properly charged and turned on. A low battery or a device that is not turned on can prevent it from connecting to Wi-Fi. Next, check your Wi-Fi network to ensure it is working properly. Restart your router if necessary to resolve any connectivity issues. Another common cause of connectivity issues is a weak Wi-Fi signal. Move your Owlet Dream Sock closer to your router to improve the signal strength. Also, ensure that your Owlet Dream Sock is not blocked by any physical barriers, such as walls or furniture, which can weaken the signal. If your Owlet Dream Sock is still not connecting to Wi-Fi, try restarting the device. This can often resolve connectivity issues by resetting the device's connection to your Wi-Fi network. To restart your Owlet Dream Sock, simply unplug it, wait for a few seconds, and plug it back in. In some cases, the issue may be with your smartphone or tablet. Ensure that your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Owlet Dream Sock and that the Owlet app is up to date. You can check for updates in the App Store on your device. If none of these solutions work, you may need to reset your Owlet Dream Sock to its factory settings. This will erase all of your data, so be sure to back up any important information before doing so. To reset your Owlet Dream Sock, go to the Owlet app, select Settings, and choose Reset Device. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Owlet Dream Sock that is not connecting to Wi-Fi. Remember to always check the basics, such as battery life and Wi-Fi signal strength, before trying more advanced troubleshooting steps. If you are still experiencing issues, you can contact Owlet customer support for further assistance.